everybody. Just going to basically be shooting the same stuff as on my last video. Unfortunately, this is kind of just a test of my new camera. I got an HD camcorder here just to help with the clarity. I mean, I'm kind of old school. I've been using my older non-HD camera for a while, and finally came up with the times. So hopefully the quality of this is going to be a lot better than what everybody's been seeing. So I'll just reshoot the wiring and whatnot, just so we can compare it to the other video that I shot. Joe, you were commenting on the fan setup. There's a little better shot of it. There's that custom shroud behind them that I made. Got a nice foam gasket sealing them. There's the primary fan, and I don't know if you can see down there under the MSD, I got a smaller secondary fan over there. There's the MSD box. 6AL, there's the part number on it. But that's it. Hope the quality's a lot better for you guys.